Hey, my name is Ashley Tejada. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm managing director with Beautycounter and been associated with this brand for a little over 5 years. And I wanted to do a video today because I know that we are in a state of life that's a little bit different, something that none of us really have ever experienced. And why I wanted to share with you why I feel like it is such a great opportunity to consider joining Beautycounter. Consider joining a direct sales opportunity that could add just a lot of value and importance into your life beyond the financials. So I'm going to go ahead and kick this off. If you have questions, though, feel free to ask questions below, and I'll get back to you. And I hope that you enjoy what I'm going to share. So, Beautycounter, for those first off who are not familiar with us, we are the leaders in the clean beauty movement. So if you are passionate about healthy products, healthier living, making a difference, this is a great brand to align with. We are a leading B Corporation. Everything is made in the United States. We have consultants in the United States as well as in Canada, and we've received a lot of incredible press. Our press has been all, from Allure Best of Beauty, Glamour, and Style, to we were in Fast Company recently the most innovative beauty brand. That was as of a week ago, which is really amazing. We also were the winners or the recipients of the WWD, which is Women Wears Daily, the best performing beauty brand last year, which is basically the Oscars in the beauty fashion space. So we have a lot of amazing things. From our products, we offer over 150 products for men, women, kids, from incredible skincare to color cosmetics to body products, which we all need these products. Right now, we're all washing our hands, and guess what? We've got hand wash. We've got amazing hand lotion. We've got body wash. We've got, soap and charcoal soap. We've got products that you and your family are going to use and that you're going to love. And our products are really high performing. So obviously that's why we've got these awards, but they're also incredibly safe. We banned over 1,800 harmful ingredients we'll never put into our products. We test all of our products prior, during, and after production. And as a brand, we are really leading the way, not only in educating the consumers, but also in the advocacy front. And actually last week, there was a vote at the House level on cosmetic reform. It was the first time that this has happened in 82 years. And a lot of the reason this came into fruition and to light was because of Beautycounter. Just in December, we were the only brand asked to testify at the Capitol on the Hill. And out of all the brands that you can imagine, they asked our CEO, our female CEO, Greg Renfrew, to testify. And that speaks volumes to what, people think about our brand, how they respect us, and what we're doing. So that's a little bit, very high level overview about Beautycounter and just some of our accomplishments and why it's really impressive to lock arms with a brand like us. But what about right now? Why would this be such a good opportunity for you, and what is Beautycounter doing to helping you get started? So the first and foremost is when you launch a business like this, there really is very low risk, and it's also a low investment. So you can get high rewards for a very low investment. You're not having to invest, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. We have starter kits that go from $350 up to $750, but they just announced today we have a starter kit that's $100, and that includes all the sampling that you could use for launching this virtual digital business. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what some of these samples include, because this is incredible. We know that right now people are doing pretty much everything virtually, so sampling is the way to go. So you are going to get our incredible sunscreen, which is won many, many awards. You're going to get 20 packets of this. You're also going to get our overnight resurfacing peel, which is basically go to bed dull, wake up glowing. Amazing product. People are going to love trying those out. You are going to get samples of Counter Time. Counter Time is our gorgeous, you'll see right here, the pink bottles, all glass, but this is our amazing anti-aging line. It's got Bucucciol in it, and it is just, oh my gosh, it's an award-winning brand, okay? This is amazing. You're going to get samples of that. You're also going to get Counter Man. You're going to get samples of our Counter Match, which is all about age prevention and hydration, plus Counter Control, which is for the acne oily line. So you're going to get samples, and obviously you're going to get like 12 to 20 samples on each of these to be able to either drop off, mail out. You will get in this collection as well, you're going to get these adorable pouches. You're going to get 5 of these too. So it is an amazing investment. So for $100, you're going to get all of these samples to launch in your business, Plus, this month, you're also going to get the enrollment kit, which includes 2 free size products. So you're going to get a lipstick, plus you're going to get the resurfacing peel, plus you're going to get opportunity brochures and lookbooks. You're going to get a cute bag. I mean, there's so much more. Plus, you're going to get your website where people can place orders. Plus, you're going to get amazing support and training and an app that you can do for leveraging your business. So, a lot of things that you can get for only $100. You can launch your own business with Beautycounter and be aligned with the leaders in the clean beauty movement. Amazing. All right. And a couple other things too is this is an opportunity where you don't need that much experience. If you know how to use a phone, if you can know how to do Instagram, Facebook, send out an email, make a phone call, do a text, write an email. I mean, the list goes on. You can do this business. If you are passionate about helping others, this is a great place to be. You know, if you care about, you know, cleaner products, the safety of your family, this is the brand to align with, and we will help you, and you can definitely do this. So you can also really make money right away with a business like this, which I love. Because guess what? Your website is up and running within typically about an hour of enrollment. You could be taking orders in that first day. You know, you can email this link, you can text it, you can put it on your social media platforms. People will go online, they will enroll, the products get directly sent to them, so you're not having to do all the shipping or the dropping off of the products. Nope, everything is sent directly to them. You'll be making money. We earn 25% commission on anything we sell, up to 35% commission. Yes, you heard that. 35% commission on whatever you're selling is incredible. You can imagine if all of a sudden you're selling $10,000 of this product, that's a pretty good paycheck, right? But yeah, 25 to 35% commission on anything that you personally sell. In addition, an opportunity like this is a great tax write-off. Plus, you're going to get amazing savings. So when you join Beautycounter, you will always get 25% savings on all these clean products. So over 150 products, you're going to get always earn 25% off. No questions asked. 25% savings, which is a time where you want to be saving money. In addition, this is an opportunity too that is incredibly flexible. You know, like I said, you can definitely do this from the phone, but you can fit this into those little nuggets of time. Our lives are very different right now. For those who have kids, you know, the kids are at home. For those who've been used to working in offices, you're working at home. Things are mixing up, and having a schedule is going to be so important, and you will be able to fit this into those little nooks and crannies. So if you can find 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, you can make an incredible little side gig, plan B, that's basically bringing you some extra income during this interesting different time that possibly could turn into plan A. You never know. So it is something that you can definitely do, and you can fit it in. And what I love too is we have got such an amazing supportive community and network to helping you really kind of navigate this space. So Beautycounter we offer different trainings virtually, obviously, which is so exciting. But we've got webinars, we've got calls, we've got podcasts. We even have a brand new app that you can do so much of the work now, from taking orders to getting all the different marketing material. You know, from my team, my organization, we're going to be doing coffee chats and virtual coffee times or tea times or even wine times. We're going to make it feel like you are seeing people and you're with people, but it'll just be a different experience. And I love that. I mean, that is something that's so beautiful about having a home-based business, but we're going to make it just even that much more exciting and that much more of a way to be connected. So this is such a different time, and I want to say, I hope first and foremost that we all stay safe. And that is the most important thing. Let's be safe, let's be healthy. But if you right now are thinking, gosh, what am I going to do? Really consider this opportunity. I've heard already people from like makeup artists to teachers to different people are like, what am I going to do? Like, I don't know how long this is going to last. I'm nervous, I'm scared. Let's work together and make something really amazing happen that will, you know, ease that stress, that anxiety, and give you some new skill sets, new hope, new connections, new conversations, and who knows, some extra income and obviously great savings. If you have questions, like I said, comment below. I will also include my link where you can easily sign up. I would love to be your mentor. and help you in this journey. And we would have so much fun. Also, in that link too, you can contact me directly through, my website, my phone number, my email address, all that will be there. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm also the Blonde Tejada. So that's my Instagram handle. And I think that's it for today. So thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate you all.